Are you guys ready?
Yes.
What are we doing today?
We're doing microscope.
Microscope?
Yes.
We will look at the tiny things that we can't see with our naked eye in the microscope, right?
But how about bacteria?
I can, but for now, let's see what specimens we have, okay?
Okay.
So guys, first, let's read the instructions.
Yes.
Okay, so daddy has installed the batteries. Okay, see if you turn this on, a light turns on at the bottom. See? So just for now, I'll close it out. It has 15 experiments. Great. And because daddy is a microbiologist, he knows that we have a ready-made specimen here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this out. Okay.
And what you go do?
Okay.
If it's a battery.
And experiment 1. What is that experiment 1?
Onion skin.
So we will be seeing onion skin in here. So this is a slide, a glass slide, and the specimen is there. So I'm gonna place in the microscope here. Okay. There you go. It goes like that. And then you can hold these glass slide with these holders. And I'm sorry, just gonna move this a little bit. Make sure you focus to this lens here. Okay? And then I'm gonna remove
The bag.
yes, that's covering the eyepiece. Okay?
Why cover the eyepiece?
So that we don't damage the eyepiece. Okay, Daddy? Now, so first thing first, we placed our specimen, right?
Yeah.
And the grammar. Okay? And then pause your side. Turn on the light.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus. Okay? So I'm gonna go this one. Okay? It goes up, down, up, down.
So
Make sure that you don't go beyond its limit. If not, it's gonna break. Okay, so slow and steady. You go down.
what do you see?
So far nothing. Let me.
What do you see?
I see some tiny dots, but I want to make sure that it's the onion skin. Okay.
Tiny dot?
Yeah.
I want to see that.
Hold on, Daddy. I will show you. Dots look like. Here you go. See? Do you see this, Ari?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's another book that should be there. The one was onion ring. Right?
Take a picture.
See, Aryan. Yes, we'll take a picture of it.
And why was it so beautiful?
It's so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So you want to check the onion skin now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show it.